Today also we will continue some good problems on basic properties of the circles, and also we deal with some problems on pole and polar properties. Now, of course, for today's problem number 1 today's, if the circles S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2ax plus cy plus a is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to x square plus y square minus 3ax plus dy minus 1 is equal to 0 intersect in two distinct points, P and Q, then the line 5x plus by minus a is equal to 0 passes through P and Q for 1 exactly 2 values of A, 2 infinitely many values of A, 3 for no value of A, 4 for exactly 1 value of A. One value of A itself. See, you are given two intersecting circles intersecting P and Q, and a given line passing through the P and Q. That means the equation of that line. The given line is so and so for what is the number of point values of A? That is the question you are being asked. So, the thing is, now solution. So, by hypothesis, 5x plus by minus a is equal to 0 represents the line PQ whose equation is s minus s dashed is equal to 2ax minus 3ax. So, that means 5ax, cy minus dy, that means c minus d into y, and a minus 1 minus of minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. So, therefore, what you must get is 5a by a, 5 coefficients are proportional. 5a by 5, c minus d by b, and a plus 1 by minus a plus 1 by minus a. So, that indicates that a square plus a plus 1 is equal to 0 which has imaginary roots, pure imaginary roots, which has pure imaginary roots. That means no value of A. So, that is no value of A exists. A. That means the answer is option number 3. Problem number 2. A circle touches the x-axis and also the circle with center at 0, 3 and radius 2. So, then the locus of the center of the circle is 1, a parabola, 2, an hyperbola, 3, a circle, and 4, an ellipse. So, you are given that a circle is touching the x-axis, and also another circle whose center is on the y-axis and radius 2. So, then if the circle changes, the center of the circle changes. So, what is the locus of the center of the circle? That is the question. So, zero 3 and radius 2 and the circle this is circle touching x-axis. So, suppose the center is HK. So, now this is 2, this is K. So, write. Now, let 𝗓𝗃 be the center of the required circle, so that its radius is K itself, because it's K, because it touches the x-axis. Radius is a mod K. So, now since the contact is external, the distance between the centers of the two circles is equal to sum of the radii. sum of the radii. So therefore, h square plus k minus 3 whole square is equal to, that is h square plus k minus 3 whole square is equal to, this is equal to 2 plus k whole square, 2 plus k whole square. Okay. So, that is h square plus k square minus 6k plus 9 is equal to k square plus 4k plus 4. That implies k square will cancel. So, h square minus 10k, h square minus 10k is equal to 10k plus 13, 10k minus 5, or that is h square is equal to 10 into k minus half. So, therefore, the locus, locus of hk is y square is equal to 10 into, x square is equal to 10 into y minus half, which is a parabola, So, therefore, the correct option is, the correct option is equal to, the correct option is simply number 1, a parabola. Here the basic concept is simply, if two circles touch each other externally, then the distance between the centers is equal to sum of the radii, that is. And if a circle touches x-axis, then its radius is modulus of the y-coordinate of the center. A variable circle. Problem number 3. A variable circle passes through a fixed point, A, P, comma Q, and touches x-axis, then the locus of the other end, end of the diameter through A is 1 x minus p whole square is equal to 4qy. Number 2, x minus q whole square is equal to 4py. 3, y minus p whole square is equal to 4qx. And 4, y minus q whole square is equal to 4px. So, a variable circle, of course, passing through P and Q, the point PQ, and is touching the x-axis. then the locus of the center, its center is asking. So, now let Px1y1 be the other end of the diameter through A, P, Q and 𝗓𝗃 be its center, so that mod 𝗓𝗃 is its radius. Now, you know that equation of the circle with AP as diameter is x minus x1 into x minus p plus y minus y1 into y minus q is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus of minus px minus xs. So, minus of p plus x1 into x minus of q plus y1 into y minus of px1 plus qy1 is equal to 0. So, this is the equation of the circle described on A and P as extremities of a diameter. Now, this circle, this touches x axis implies x axis implies modulus of q plus y1, that means y coordinate, by 2, y coordinate of the center is equal to mod k, right, because radius is mod k. So, this shows that, so q plus y1 whole square is equal to, but you can see that this is mod k, the radius is equal to square root of p plus x1 by 2 whole square plus q plus y1 by 2 whole square minus of px1 plus qy1. Now, after squaring and simplifying, we have squaring and simplifying, we will have p minus x1 whole square is equal to 4qy1. So, just square it is using a plus b whole square formula. So, that means, so that is the locus of px1 y1 is px1 y1 is p minus x whole square is equal to 4qy, or x minus p whole square is equal to 4qy. So, the correct option is number 1. Correct option is number 1. Problem number 4. if the line 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x minus y minus 4 equal to 0 lie along the two diameters, of a circle whose circumference, whose perimeter is 10 pi, whose perimeter is 10 pi, then the equation of the circle, is number 1 x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 23 equal to 0. Number 2 x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 23 equal to 0. 3 x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 23 equal to 0. Number 4 x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 23 is equal to 0. Minus 2x minus 2y. So, that is a problem. Now, you know that let solution, let R be the radius, of the circle, So, therefore, by hypothesis, pi 2 pi r is equal to 10 pi or r is equal to 5 units. The center of the circle, is given by the equations 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 1 and 3x minus y is equal to 4, which is which is 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1. You can see whether that 1 comma minus 1 lie on these lines or not. 1 comma minus 1, please see, this is 2 plus 1 3 minus 3 0 and 3 plus 1 minus 4 0, that is. So, therefore, equation of the circle is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 25 or x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 23 equal to 0. So correct option is option number 1, problem number 5. The intercept on the line y is equal to x by the circle x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0 is AB. So, the equation of the circle described with A and B as extremities of a diameter or ends of a diameter as ends of a diameter is number 1 x square plus y square minus x minus y equal to 0, 2 x square plus y square minus x plus y is equal to 0, 3 x square plus y square plus x plus y is equal to 0, and 4 x square plus y square plus x minus y is equal to 0. Okay. The line y is equal to x intersecting a circle in A and B, described on A and B. The circle is described on AB as a diameter. Then the equation of the circle is asking. So this is y is equal to x. So, A, B, right? Now we put solution. Put y is equal to x in the circle equation. In the circle equation, x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0. So, that is 2x square minus 2x equal to 0, or x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. So, therefore A 0 0 and 1 B 1 1 are the ends of are A and B. A is equal to, I can write, A is equal to 0 0 and B is equal to 1 1. So, equation of the circle. So, therefore, equation of the circle is x square x into x minus 1 plus y into y minus 1 equal to 0. Or that is x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 0, which is nothing but option number, correct option is number 1. Problem number 6. If the two circles x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square, and x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y minus 8 equal to plus 8 equal to 0 intersect in two distinct points, in two distinct points, then 1 r less than 2, 2 r is greater than 2, 3 r is equal to 2, 4 2 less than r less than 8, 2 less than r less than 8. So now you can have that is so this is A11 and this is B 4 comma minus 1, 4 comma minus 1, and this radius is r, but this radius is 16 plus 1 17 minus 8 means 3, minus 8 means 3. So you can see that is A11 comma 1 and R1 is equal to r radius, B is equal to 4 comma minus 1 and R2 is equal to 3. Now it is known that the circles intersect in two distinct points, if and only if modulus of r minus 3, that is less than AB and AB is less than r plus 3. The difference of the radii is less than the distance between the centers and it is less than r plus 3. So now that means modulus of r minus 3 is less than, what is the distance between the two centers? Square root of 3 square plus 2 square, 3 square plus 2 square, and that is less than r plus 3. That is less than r plus 3. So that means mod r minus 3 is less than, so 3 square plus 4 square is less than r plus 3. That is mod r minus 3 is less than 5, it is less than r plus 3. So now you can see that mod r minus 3. So 5 less than r plus 3, which implies that 5 less than r plus 3 implies 2 is less than r. 2 is less than r. That means r is greater than 2. And also mod r minus 3 less than 5 if and only if minus 5 less than r minus 3 less than plus 5. Now r minus 3 less than 5 implies r is less than 8. R is less than 8 itself. So therefore 2 less than r less than 8. Here 2 is less than r from this, and from this you will get r is less than 8. So 2 less than r less than 8. So the correct option is option number 4. The lines 2x minus 3y is equal to 5 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 7 are diameters of a circle whose area is 154 square units. 154 square units. Then the equation of the circle. So you are given a circle whose two of its diameters lie along the lines 2x minus 3y is equal to 5, 3x minus 4y is equal to 7, and this area is given to be 154 square units. Then the area, then this equation of the circle. Equation of the circle is number 1. Circle is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 0. 2. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 62. This is equal to 47. 3. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y is equal to 62, and 4. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 62. Sorry, is equal to 47. Is equal to 47. So you are given that so the two diameters are simply 2x minus 3y is equal to 5 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. So now solving, so therefore the center of the circle is obtained by solving 2x minus 3y is equal to 5 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 7, and which is nothing but 1 comma minus 1. Now you can see that 1 comma minus 1 is lying on both the lines or not. 1 comma minus 1 means 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. Here 3 plus 4, 7. And what you are given circle whose radius is, and area of the circle is equal to 154 implies pi r square is equal to 154 or r square is equal to 154 into 7 by 22. 154 into 7 by 22. So that is 7 square. So therefore r is equal to 7. R is equal to 7 itself. Circle equation is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 7 square, or x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 47. Is equal to 47. Right. Correct option is, so correct answer is number 1. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 47. The greatest distance the greatest distance of the point, the greatest distance of the point P10,7 from the circle, S is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0 is 1, 10, 2, 15, 3, 5, 4 was none. 20 I will write. 20. So now you can give you are given a circle whose center is 2, 1 and radius 5, and P10,7 is an external point. You can see that, and of course this is A 10,7 or what you have P10,7, and suppose this is A and that is a B. Now you can see that P10,7 lies outside the circle, S is equal to 0. So now if the line, so therefore if the point P is joined to the center, C 2, 1, then the line PA meets the circle, say the line PC meets circle, say in A and B, So therefore, see the diagrams, therefore B is the farthest point from P. So that PB is equal to PC plus CB. So PC means square root of 10 minus 2 whole square, 8 square plus 6 square, plus CB means radius 5. It is radius 5. So this is 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. So therefore the correct option is number 2. The equation of the circle the equation of that tangent, to a circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0, which makes equal intercepts equal intercepts which makes equal intercepts on the positive coordinate axis. Positive coordinate axis is number 1, x plus y is equal to 2. Number 2, x plus y is equal to 2 root 2. 3, x plus y is equal to 4. And 4, x plus y is equal to 8. Okay. So, please see equation of the tangent. So, suppose right. So, the center is minus 2 comma plus 2 and radius is also 2, right. Now, any line making equal intercepts on positive axis is of the form x plus y is equal to a, where a is greater than 0. Now, this line touches the circle having center minus 2 comma 2 and radius 2 if and only if modulus of minus 2 plus 2 minus a by square root of 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 2. So, therefore, what you get is a is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. A is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. Since a is positive, now a positive implies a is equal to 2 root 2. So, the correct option is number 2. Problem number 10. If a circle of constant radius constant radius 3k passes through origin and meets the axis in A and B, then the locus of the centroid of triangle AOB is 1 x square plus y square is equal to k square, 2 x square plus y square is equal to 2k square, 3 x square plus y square is equal to 3k square, and 4 x square plus y square is equal to 4k square. Now, you are given that suppose A and B are the points of intersection of the x and y axis of the circle, and let OA is equal to A and OB is equal to B, so that A square plus B square is equal to AB whole square, which is nothing but 6K whole square. But if Gx1y1 is the centroid, of triangle AOB, then A is equal to 3x1 and B is equal to 3y1. So, therefore, 9 into x1 square plus y1 square is equal to A square plus B square, which is 36K square, which is a 36K square. So, therefore, locus of G is x square plus y square is equal to 4K square. X square plus y square is equal to 4K square. So, correct answer or correct option is number 4. If T1 and T2 are the lengths of the tangents, drawn from P 0, 5 to the circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0, and S dash is equal to x square plus y square minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Then number 1, T1 square is equal to T2 square plus 6, 2 T1 is equal to T2, 3 T1 is equal to 2 T2, and 4 3 T1 is equal to 2 T2, 4 2 T1 is equal to 3 T2. 2 T1 is equal to 3 T2. So, you are given two circles and a point. So, he is drawing tangents from this point P 0, 5. So, and T1, T2. So, this is the circle S is equal to 0. This is circle S dash is equal to 0. And you know that, so now solution is, it is known that the length of the tangent drawn from an external point x1, y1 to a circle S is equal to 0 is square root of S11. Now, here you are given the point is 0, 5. See whether the point 0, 5 is external to both the circles or not. So, if you write 0, 5 here, 0, 25 minus 4, 21. It's okay, it's positive. And for this 0, 25 minus 10, 15, it is also okay. So now, so therefore, T1 is equal to root S11, which is square root of 21, and T2 is equal to root S dash 11, root S dash 11, which is root 15, which is root 15. So therefore, T1 square is equal to 21, which is T2 square plus 6. 21, T2 square means 15 plus 6 means 21. So the correct option is option number 1.